Hey guys, just letting you know before the tutorial video starts that this method doesn't work with all Blu-ray movies. There will be some that will work and some that don't. But if you want to find out which movies don't work, or if you want to submit a movie that apparently didn't work with this method, there will be links in the description below. Alright, welcome to the Windows 10 version of playing Blu-ray movies in VLC 3.0. Now, before I get started, I want to point out real quick that I'm going to be focusing primarily on the 32-bit VLC for this tutorial. The reason why is because both 32 and 64-bit version of VLC both share the same method, except for one small difference, which I will touch upon at the end of the video to avoid any type of confusion. So, with that in mind, let's go ahead and get started. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and open a new tab or open up a web browser and go to videolan.org and download VLC. This will download the 32-bit version of VLC. Now I already have it downloaded, so pause this video and download and install VLC. Once you're done doing that, go to VLC-Blu-ray.whoknowsmy.name. I will have a link in the description below. And you need to download two files. Download the keys database file and download the VLC 32-bit and click this link to get that file. Now again, if you download it straight from the web page or the installer says specifically VLC 3.0.0-Win32, you download VLC 32-bit. If your browser has any issues on keeping or discarding it, say keep on the two files and go to the downloads or whatever equivalent and grab lib aacsdil and the keydb files and make your way to the C drive. Go to program data, make a new folder called AACS. Go into that folder and put the keydb file in here. Now for the lib aacs dil file, you have two locations that you can put this in. One of the locations is Windows System 32, and you can put it in here. But if you're planning to have like both 32 and 64-bit versions of VLC, then I recommend just going ahead and putting it into Program Files, x86, or Program Files if those who have the rare 32-bit version of Windows 10. Go to VideoLAN, VLC, and place the file in there. Now again, this is entirely based on preference. But for out of convenience, I would recommend putting it into the VLC installation folder. So go ahead and open up VLC. Go ahead and insert your Blu-ray into your Blu-ray player or drive. Open disk. Click on Blu-ray, and as you can see, I have the Angry Video Game Nerd movie plugged in. Click play. And you'll be able to watch your Blu-ray movie with, as you can see, with the actual menu, which is great, and this is new for VLC 3.0. And that is pretty much it. Now, for those who are wondering about the 64-bit version of VLC, to download that, you're going to have to go to Other Systems, Windows, click here and click installer for 64-bit version. And as I said before, setting it up is pretty much the same. The only difference is that you need to download the VLC 64-bit. and download this file. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. So I hope you guys liked that video. Go ahead and click like and subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified of when we upload a new video. If you want to see the other methods for the other operating systems, at least for Windows, go ahead and go to the VLC Blu-ray playlist. So until then, I'll see you guys next time.